Friends, in this video we will change all the headlight bulb in a circle. So, let's start with the headlight. To replace this light bulb here, you need to push it from the top and scroll. To replace this bulb, you must remove it from the socket. Friends, but before starting the video, subscribe to the channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel. The other light bulb changed in the same way. Friends, to replace the rear headlight bulb, you need to give a cartridge and again press the bulb on top and turn it. Like that. All other taillight bulbs change in the same way. Friends, to replace the bulbs of the salon lamp, you need to remove the plastic and replace the bulb. Now guys, to replace the dashboard light, you need to remove the potentiometer panel for yourself. Fathers, there are light bulbs. You can replace them here with any one. Friends, to replace the turn signal bulb, you need to give it in this way. That's all guys. Subscribe to the channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.